Hello students, welcome back to Programming in C language. Myself Sreekanth. So in the previous session, we discussed in detail about various DOS commands, like various DOS internal commands, right? We discussed in detail about directory commands, version command, date command, time command, volume command, CLS command, copycon command, type command, delete command, rename command, copy command, prompt command, MD command, CD command, RD command, and path command. Okay. See, already you're all familiar about these commands. I given detailed explanation regarding these commands with executions. Okay. See, I try to give much clarity over one more command called prompt command. Today we try to discuss this prompt command, as well as we try to discuss some settings and how to change the colors, background colors, and help commands we try to discuss in this session. Okay. Fine. See, we can open directly this command from the search bar. Otherwise, you can use a shortcut. Okay, window plus R. You can able to see window plus R. It comes the run command. From there also you can able to type what CMD command. From there also you can open what command prompt. Okay. Once again I'm showing that. Try to look out how to open the command prompt. The shortcut is window plus R. Otherwise go and find the run. There you can type what CMD command. Click on OK. So this is about what run. Within the run you need to write what CMD command. Okay, click on OK. So this is a shortcut. Another way you can open what MS DOS. Okay, see, today we try to continue with the command called prompt command. See, what is this prompt command? See, this command allows the user to change the MS-DOS prompt or command prompt to display more or less information. Simply, I can tell we can change this prompt information using what command prompt. So this is a syntax prompt, prompt text, and options. So if you want to go with the more option, just type help. The name of the command is what prompt. Okay, you can able to see it changes the command.exe command prompt. What is the syntax here? Prompt text. Here text specifies what new command prompt. Okay, observe several options are there, like prompt can be made up of what normal characters and following the special codes, like $a indicates ampersand, $b indicates what pipe symbol, dollars indicates what left parenthesis, $d indicates what current date, $e indicates what escape code like ASCII code 27, $f indicates what right parenthesis, $g indicates what greater than sign, $H indicates what backspace or erase previous character, $L indicates what less than sign, $N indicates current drive, $P indicates what current drive and path information, $Q indicates what equal size, $S represents what space, $T represents what current time. See, this is the syntax for what prompt command. Not only prompt command, if you want any command complete information with the syntax and complete information, you can go with what help command, HELP, help, and you can type the name of the command. It gives the complete information about the command. Okay, for more information about the particular command. Fine, now we try to work out on prompt command. See, simply I try to write PROMPT prompt, and I would like to write my name here. See, what is the path here? C users Sreekanth. You can able to see, right? C users Sreekanth. But I would like to change this prompt with my name only, like SreekanthDeva with additional informations. Okay, so I try to write SreekanthDeva. Okay, so this is the way I can write. Also we discussed $G indicates what greater than symbol. See, observe now. Yes, see, this is the default path of the command prompt, but I changed this command prompt with the help of what prompt command. Here I displayed what my name, like Sreekanth Deva. This is about what greater than symbol. $G indicates what greater than symbol. Similar fashion I go with some other. I want to add some data in this prompt. Okay, how to add prompt Sreekanth Deva, like $G. Before that I want to add what one pipe symbol here, $B. Okay, $B. After that I try to add what date, $D. $D. Here I try to add what? Date. Observe here. This is about SreekanthDeva. See, this is about what? $B. This is a symbol. After that I entered what? $D indicates what? Date information. $G indicates what? Greater than symbol. Okay. Like that I try to change the prompt in a different ways. Okay, we can also add some time information. I would like to add here like a $B. I want to add some time information $T. Okay, so observe here it displays what? Name SreekanthDeva. After that I added $B. This is a symbol. After that $D. It displays the date information, today's date. After that $B, again the symbol. After that $T indicates what? The time information. Okay. After that I added what? $G. $G indicates what? Greater than symbol. So in this manner we can able to change the prompt using which command? Prompt command. Okay, see the prompt is the command which is used for what? User to change the MS-DOS prompt. We can able to add some information like our own name or string information. We can also add what? Some symbols, lesser than symbol, greater than symbols, date information, time information, path information, like that we can able to modify it. Okay, so this is completion of what? Various internal commands we had discussed from the last video session onwards. We discussed in detail what is DOS commands, various internal commands like directory command, version command, date command, time command, volume command, CLS command, copy con command, type command, delete command, rename command, copy command, prompt command, make directory, change directory, remove directory, and path. See, very frequently we are using about these general purpose commands, file related commands, and directory related commands. So this is about what? Internal commands in MS-DOS. Okay. See, now I want to perform some help command operations. Before that, I would like to change the look and feel of the DOS prompt. Okay, so observe, I try to terminate. Once again, I try to open the command prompt. So with the help of what? Run. You can able to see here. So this is about DOS. Sir, how to change the width and height? So you can able to adjust the DOS prompt width and height in this manner, or yesterday I given some hint, right? Right click on the DOS prompt. You can able to use move, like move the DOS prompt, and size. We can able to maintain the size of the DOS prompt, and we can also perform what? Just a moment. Once again, I try to open. Yeah, see, like that. Minimizing. Once minimize, it is available in the taskbar. Maximize. Okay, you can use the maximize option. See, we can also perform some more operations like close means close, edit. We can also perform mark, paste, select, find, like that, and go to the properties. See, this option you need to look out. The properties, it consists of options like cursor size. How cursor size should be look out. It is in small, medium, or large. You can adjust the cursor size. And command history, buffer size, number of buffers. Okay, some edit options also available like quick edit mode, insert mode, enable control key shortcuts, and filter clipboard contents on paste, like that. Several options you can able to see. Enable the wrapping selections, like that. Okay, see, these are all comes under what? Options in the properties of what? DOS. So I go with the font. You can also change the size of the font, and we can also select any font family. Okay, so this is the font family. You can select, you can adjust, you can also check it out the preview based on the size and size of the font and font family. You can also make it out what? Bold font. Okay, so observe, I try to modify something here. Okay, the size I kept 28 only. If you want to increase or decrease your wish, 46. You can change various different types of font families are there. Okay, suppose if you take Courier's, you can able to see here's a modification is there, right? Like Lucida console. Okay, sans typewriter, MS Gothic, like, so different types. Okay, so I try to take here. Okay, this one. Okay, like console, Lucida console I take bold font. Okay, somewhat I try to take, or I take Courier new, select the bold font. Okay, see, this is the way we can change what? The size of the font, and also we can change what? font family. Okay, it enables here different types, like true type fonts are recommended for what? High DPI display, or faster fonts may not display clearly. Okay, see, like that you can able to change what? Different types of font families. Okay, I should keep as it is console only for better clarity. So come to the next option called layout. See, it consists what? Screen buffer size, window size, and windows portion. See, windows position, you can able to see the buffer size, like width and height wise buffer size. Window size, you can able to increase the width of the DOS and height of the DOS. Okay, window position, we can able to, you like left side, top side, you can able to adjust the window. Okay, so this is about MS DOS layout. You can also adjust the screen buffer size, window position. Okay, so next option is called colors. So you can able to look out various colors option is available. Like we can also change the screen text color, screen background color, pop up the text, pop up the background, and select color values. See, like it is a combination of what? RGB. I explained already, right? See, red, green, blue combinations are there. You can also adjust the colors with the color value. Okay, so you can also choose, you can also select here different types of selected screen colors. Here some screen colors also available. Okay, that pop-up colors here available, and opacity, you can able to look out the opacity of the window. Okay, so we try to perform some operations here. Yeah, I would like to change here. Currently the screen background color is black. Okay, fine. So I would like to change with the blue color. You can able to see the color is changed, right? Okay, I change it with the blue color. I want to change with the font color, like screen text color I want to change. Okay, see, just observe here which one suitable good, you can adjust it. Okay, see, by default it is black background and white with what? Foreground. Okay, here I try to change with what? Some different background and foreground colors. Okay, and also you can observe the opacity. See, try to observe, look out the background here. I changing the opacity. The opacity is nothing but what? It going to be shows what? The thickness of this background is going to be what? Reduces, like. Okay, like, so this is the way we can also change what? Opacity of the particular DOS prompt. See, these are all what? Various settings available. Just click on OK. Here I modified something, just clear it. Okay, so you can able to see I changed the background color, and I modified some opacity, and also I modified what? Some foreground colors. Okay, like that we can able to modify what? The DOS window, like a DOS prompt you can modify with what? Different properties. Okay, so you can able to write the commands like directory commands. Okay, like clear screens, like help commands. We try to discuss one by one. Okay, with the help command. See, if it is fine with this, you can able to see properly, then I try to explain with this help command. Okay, fine. See, these are all the various basic changes you can also apply with the DOS prompt. Okay, so I try to go back with the same positions, like background, I choose black color. Okay, okay, right. So now I try to type with help command. You can able to see help command. Yeah, try to maximize. Okay, yeah. So we try to look out one by one. I try to adjust the opacity also. Okay, yeah, fine, this much, fine. So we go with one by one command. First command called attribute command. Okay, so I go with background DOS internal commands. Yeah, fine. So you can able to see here we try to discuss help command. What is this help command? Okay, just to type help command. If you want to know more information about particular command and whether that command is supported or not in the particular DOS environment, you want to know, then just go with the help command. Okay, so observe, I typed help. Help consists what? These are all several commands are supported in this DOS environment. Observe one by one. First command is called association, like ASSOC command. It displays or modifies what? File extension association. Next command called attribute command. Okay, See, this attribute command displays or changes the file attributes. Next called break command. See, this break command sets or clears extended control plus C checking. So generally when we use this break command, when you are working with what, especially loops in the programming language, there is a chances to enter what, infinite loop. Okay, there the program sometimes, if you are not written properly, or if you are testing the infinite loop, that times what, keep on running the output message continuously. I want to break it forcibly, then that time we can go with what, control C. Another command called Bcd Edit Command. Okay, see, it sets what, properties in boot database to control what, boot loading. Next, CACLS command. It displays or modifies access control list of files. Call command. So it calls on what, batch program from another. Next, CD command. So it displays the name of or changes the current directory. See, we discussed in detail, right, how to change the directory and how to move forward or move to the subdirectories, and how to back to the main directories, or how to back to the main drive, we discussed with the help of what, cd command, right, change directories. Okay, next we discussed about what, chcp displays or says the active code page number. Next, chdir, it displays the name of or changes the current directory. Next, check disk, chkdsk command, it checks a disk and it displays a status report. And check ntfs, it displays or modifies the checking of what, disk at boot time. Next, cls command, it clears the screen. Okay, very frequently we are using this cls command. Okay, next, cmd command, it starts a new instance of the window command interpreter. Okay, next, color command, see, it sets the default console foreground and background colors. Foreground means what, text colors. Background means what, background color. COMP, it compares the content of two files or sets of what, files. Compact command, it displays or alters the compression of what, files on what, NTFS partition. Convert command, it converts what, fat volumes to NTFS, you cannot convert the current drive. Next, copy command, it copies one or more files to another location. Date command, it displays or sets the new date. Say, yesterday session we discussed, right, in internal commands how to display the current date. If you want to modify, you can also modify the date. Okay, delete command, okay, we discussed delete, it deletes what, one or more files. Directory command, it displays what, list of files and subdirectories in a directory. Disk part command, see, it displays or configures what, disk partition properties. Like a DOS key command, it edits command lines, recalls Windows command, and creates what, macros. Okay, this is external commands, we'll discuss in the next coming sessions, don't worry. Next, we discussed about some drive queries, it displays what, current device driver status and properties. Echo command, it displays what, messages or turns command echoing on or off. End local command, it end localization of environment, changes in a batch file. Erase command, it deletes one or more files. Exit command, so it quits the command.exe program, command interpreter. So if you want to come out from the DOS prompt, either you can use the close button in the DOS prompt, otherwise directly type what, exit command, it's going to be exit your command prompt. FC command, it compares what, two files or set of files and display the difference between them. Next, find command, it searches for a text string in a file or files. It is also external commands, both fc and find commands we'll discuss practical in the next coming sessions. Next, find str command, it searches for what, string in a particular files. For command, it runs a specified command for what, each file in a set of files. Format command, it formats a disk for use with what, window. Next, fsutil command, it displays or configures the file system properties. Ftype command, it displays or modifies what file types used in what file extension associations. Next, go to command, it directs the Windows command interpreter to a labeled line in a batch program. Like gp result command, it displays what group policy information for machine or user. gra graftable command, so it enables what Windows to display an extended character set in what graphics mode. Help command, so we are talking about help only, right? We are discussing a help only. This help command provides what help information for Windows commands. See, if you want to get more information of any command, just to type help and space, give the name of the command, it displays complete information about the particular command. ICACLS command, it displays what modify, backup or restore ACLs for files and directories. If a command, it performs what conditional processing in what batch programs. Okay, we also discussed this in programming language about if command for if conditions and for loops. Okay, next, label command, so it creates changes or deletes the volume label of a disk. MD command, we discussed, right, how to creating a new directories with the help of what command prompt using MD command or mkdir command. It creates a new directories, new folder. MK link command, it creates what symbolic links and hard links. Mode command configures a system device. More command, it displays what output one screen at a time. Move command moves one or more files from one directory to another directory. Open files command, it displays what files opened by what remote users for a file share. And path command, it displays what path command displays what or sets a such path for what executable files. Okay, yesterday we discussed about path, whatever the softwares are going to be installed, path has been set, that information is displayed in what path command. Pause command, see, it suspends what processing of a batch file and displays a message. Like popd command, it restores the previous value of the current directory saved by push hd. Print command, it prints what text file, prints a text file. Prompt command, see, just only we discussed about prompt command, it changes what Windows command prompt. We can give our own username like date information, time information, and some special symbols like greater than, less than symbols, we can also use it. Next, push d command saves the current directory then changes it. RD command, it removes a directory. Like recover command, see, it recovers a readable information from a bad or defective disk. Rem command, it records comments like remarks in batch file or config.sys. Rename command, REN, it renames the file or files. Yesterday session we discussed how to renaming a file. Rename command, rename a file or files, both REN or RENAME. Replace command, it replaces what files. RM directory removes a directory. Robocopy, advanced utility to copy files and directory trees. Set command, it displays what set or removes Windows environment variables. Set local command, it begins localization of environment changes in a batch file. SC command, it displays or configures service background processes. Like SCH tasks command, it schedules what commands and programs to run on a computer. Simply we can call it a scheduled task commands. Okay, shift command, it shifts the position of a replaceable parameters in what batch files. Shutdown command allows proper local or remote shutdown of machines. Sort command, it sorts what input, we'll discuss in the next coming sessions with the external commands. Start command, it starts a separate window to run a specified program or command. Substitute, like SBST command associates a path with a what drive letters. Next is system info. I want to get system related information. Then system info command, it displays what? Machine specific properties and configurations. Task list command, it displays what? All currently running tasks, including what? Services. Task kill command, it kills or stops a running process or application. Time command, it displays or sets the system time. Okay, we can able to generate the current time and also we can modify with the new time using time command. Title command, it sets the window title for a cmd.exe session. Tree command, see, tree command graphically displays the directory structure of a drive or path. Don't worry, we'll discuss this command in the next coming session in the external commands. Type command, it displays what? Content of a text file. Okay, in the previous session we created one file using copycon command. I want to view the data, then I want to get the content of the file of the data. Then we used which command? Type command. Type command what? Displays the content of a text file. ver command, version command, it displays what? The window version, okay, installed in your computer. Verify command, see, tells Windows whether to verify that your files are written correctly to a disk. Volume command, see, displays what? Disk volume label and a serial number of the particular disk. That information is displayed. Xcopy command, it is also external command. It copies what? Files and directory trees. Okay, entire directory, subdirectory and file content is going to be copied from what? Source address to the destination. Okay, WMIC command, it displays what? WMI information inside interactive command shell. See, these are all what? Various commands supported in this DOS prompt. So how to display all these commands? Using what? Help. Help is the command. Okay, see, all these commands I explained. Okay, and some commands are already we executed, some more commands will going to be executed in the coming sessions. Okay, here you need to concentrate. Suppose, sir, I want some command information in detail. Example, you can take any command. Suppose I want more information about attribute command. Just type help, help and attribute. Okay, just enter. So it gives a complete information of the command or not. So try to look out help attribute. It displays or changes what? File attributes. Okay, so this is a syntax of what? Attrib command. Here each and every symbol and whatever the syntax related information clearly explained with what? Each and every symbol and notations and some character usage on the particular attribute. Okay, if you want to get like any kind of command information, just to type what? Help with the name of the command. Like a tree, I want to get the tree command information. So this is what? Tree command information. It graphically displays the folder structure of a drive or path. Okay, so this is a syntax and it gives the explanation about what? Particular the symbol or character used in the particular syntax. So this is about what? Introduction about what? MS DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. So I hope all are clear about how to open DOS prompt with the help of search command, or shortcut is what? Window plus or you can search with the run command. They type cmd, then you can open it. And also we discuss some properties like we can change the cursor size here, some command history, buffer information, change the font sizes, font family and different types of layouts and different types of colors you can able to choose it. Okay, and also you can choose different kinds of combination of values of colors and terminal information. So this is about what? MS DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. Okay, I given complete picture about what? Various commands available in the DOS prompt, how to change the settings of the DOS environments, and also we discussed and completed about various internal commands. Okay, so very soon I try to do it what? External commands with detailed explanation with the command executions. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all.